Remember that there was a no-trust motion that the opposition wanted against Jagdeep Dhankar, the Rajya Sabha chair. And now the Rajya Sabha's deputy chairperson says the bid to mar Dhankar's reputation is not acceptable. So there could be relief coming in for the Rajya Sabha chair, who's also the vice president of the country. Rajya Sabha's deputy chairperson has said it's a flawed motion and it has been drawn in a haste. And that motion against Dhankar stands dismissed. So for now, there is relief coming in for the Rajya Sabha chair and vice president, Jagdeep Dhankar, who the opposition said was acting as BJP spokesperson, and therefore we wanted no confidence motion against him, even though the opposition did not have numbers. Rahul Gautam joins me for the latest on that. Rahul, so tell us what exactly has been said by the deputy chairperson and what does this really mean? Because it has come from the deputy chairperson of the upper house of the parliament, of which the chair is Jagdeep Dhankar.
Well, the no confidence motion that was moved by opposition now stands dismissed, given the fact that the chair has argued that it's actually a flawed petition, and in fact it was politically motivated. Now, one of the reasons that were listed behind cancelling this no confidence motion was that the very name of Rajya Sabha chairperson Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar was spelled incorrectly. Now, this was one of the reasons that were listed, by Rajya Sabha Secretariat while dismissing this no confidence motion. You can expect that the opposition MPs will certainly going to protest. They're going to oppose this move, and would obviously say that this only shows that how
could there be a next step coming in from the Congress party on this, drawn in a haste, and that it's a flawed motion. That's what the Rajya Sabha deputy chairperson has said. For now, the no confidence motion stands dismissed.